Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best portable sewing machines that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a beginner, a DIY enthusiast, or an experienced sewist, we've got something for everyone. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Mukobu handheld sewing machine. This compact and lightweight option is perfect for quick fixes and on-the-go sewing. It's a handheld, battery-powered sewing machine that's easy to carry, making it an excellent choice for travel, small DIY projects, or emergency repairs. The ergonomic design ensures comfort during use, and the included accessories, such as bobbins, needles, and safety pins, mean you can get started right away. When it comes to design, the Mukobu is sleek and practical, weighing just 15.2 ounces. Its portability is its standout feature, but its limitations become noticeable for larger or more intricate projects. Powered by either 4 AA batteries or a DC 6V adapter, this sewing machine is convenient but lacks the power for heavy-duty materials like denim or thick fabrics. Keep in mind, batteries and the adapter are not included, so you'll need to purchase them separately. While it's a fantastic tool for quick repairs and light fabric work, the Mukobu may not meet the needs of more advanced users. Beginners will appreciate its simplicity, but the absence of advanced features like built-in stitches or adjustable speeds limits its versatility. Overall, it's a good option for those looking for a simple, portable solution for emergencies or light projects. Pros include portability and ease of use, while cons include limited functionality and power. Perfect for travelers or sewing newbies. Coming in at number 4 is the Aliexpress handheld sewing machine, which offers a comprehensive sewing experience with its included 153-piece sewing kit and elegant wooden storage box. This machine is designed for versatility, suitable for both beginners and experienced sewists. The kit includes essentials like a power adapter, fabric scissors, and a variety of threads and needles, making it an all-in-one package for home repairs or creative projects. The design is compact and functional, with a weight of just 3 pounds. While it's portable, the Aliexpress is slightly heavier than other handheld models, which could make it less ideal for travel. It's powered by a 6-volt adapter, 4 AA batteries, or a USB cable, though the latter is not included, giving you flexibility in power options. However, it's important to note that the machine struggles with fabrics thicker than 5/64 inches, so it's best suited for lightweight materials. The Aliexpress stands out for its value proposition, thanks to the extensive kit and the thoughtful design of the storage box. However, its performance is somewhat limited due to its inability to handle thicker fabrics or larger projects. Beginners will appreciate the comprehensive kit and ease of use, but more advanced users might find it underpowered. Pros include the extensive sewing kit and elegant packaging, while cons are its limited fabric compatibility and reliance on manual tie-offs. It's an ideal gift or starter kit for those new to sewing. At number 3, we have the Wittefig handheld sewing machine, a lightweight and ergonomic option designed for convenience. This portable machine is excellent for quick fixes on fabrics like t-shirts, curtains, or jeans, making it a versatile choice for home or travel. With its 2 power modes, 4 AA batteries, or DC 6V input, you can adapt it to your needs. However, batteries and charging cables are not included, which is worth noting. This machine is compact and easy to use. With dimensions of 8.6 by 1.9 by 5.7 inches and a weight of just 9.9 ounces, it's perfect for small repairs and DIY projects, and the included accessories such as bobbins, threaders, and pins ensure you have everything you need to get started. However, while its portability is a strong point, the Wittefig lacks the power and advanced features of larger machines, making it less suitable for heavy-duty tasks. User reviews highlight its ease of use and practicality, but some have noted that it requires a bit of practice to achieve perfect stitches. It's a great choice for beginners or those who need a quick, portable solution for small sewing jobs. Pros include its lightweight design and user-friendly operation, while cons are its limited power and lack of included batteries or adapters. It's a solid option for those looking for a reliable travel companion for sewing emergencies. Taking the number 2 spot is the Singer M1150 portable sewing machine. This is an excellent option for those who want a compact yet powerful machine for home projects. Featuring 16 built-in stitches and 45 stitch applications, this machine offers plenty of versatility for a variety of tasks, from simple repairs to creative projects. The 4-step buttonhole functionality and free arm make it especially useful for sewing cuffs, sleeves, and other intricate areas. The design is clean and classic, with a lightweight build that makes it easy to move between rooms or take to sewing classes. At 10.41 pounds, it's portable but sturdy enough for consistent use. The easy-to-follow threading guides and top drop-in bobbin system simplify setup, making it beginner-friendly. Additionally, the built-in LED light ensures you can sew with precision, even in low-light conditions. This machine offers great value for its price, especially considering its combination of features, portability, and reliability. While it lacks some of the advanced features of pricier models, it delivers excellent performance for its price range. Pros include its versatility, user-friendly design, and affordability, while cons are its limited stitch options compared to more advanced machines. It's ideal for beginners and hobbyists looking for a dependable, portable sewing machine. Finally, at number 1, we have the Brother XM2701 sewing machine, a lightweight yet full-featured option that truly stands out in the portable sewing machine market. With 27 built-in stitches, including decorative, zigzag, and stretch stitches, this machine offers unmatched versatility. The automatic needle threader and jam-resistant drop-in bobbin make setup a breeze, even for beginners. Plus, the included 6 sewing feet and instructional DVD provide everything you need to get started right out of the box. The design is sleek and modern, with dimensions of 5.9 by 12.1 by 15.3 inches and a weight of 12.6 pounds. While it's slightly heavier than some other portable models, it makes up for it with its robust build quality and advanced features. The free arm allows for easy sewing of cuffs, sleeves, and other hard-to-reach areas, making it suitable for a wide range of projects. It's also backed by Brother's excellent customer support, ensuring peace of mind for buyers. The Brother XM2701 offers exceptional value for its price, delivering premium features at a mid-range cost. Pros include its versatility, user-friendly operation, and comprehensive accessories, while cons are its slightly heavier weight and limited availability outside the US. This is the perfect choice for users of all skill levels who want a reliable, feature-packed sewing machine for everyday and creative projects. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.